Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Bleach Soul Resonance on PC. First thing I want you to do is just open up any browser and here in Google type in Bleach Soul Resonance and then go ahead and open up this first link from Google Play, and here all you need to do is scroll down and you'll see install on Windows. I want you to click on this and you will need Google Play games on your PC to install the game on Windows, and as you can see this one has downloaded, so open this up, the .exe file, and then all you need to actually do is go ahead and install first Google Play games, and then you can install the game Bleach Soul Resonance on your PC. So as you can see right now, we're going through the installation and we will be installing both the game itself, Bleach Soul Resonance, and Google Play games. So just go ahead and click on install and go through the installation process. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.